Hi, this is Mansi Gulati, your yoga expert. 5 yoga asana for healthier and happier life. We can achieve it with proper breathing exercises and asana. Let us start. First, close your eyes, relax yourself. We'll start with Om chant. We are going to spread love, happiness, peace, serenity with Om. Deep inhalation. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Om. Relax, release. Benefit of doing this asana, it helps to stimulate your nervous system. Excellent for increasing blood circulation, reducing toxins from your body, and really good for deep relaxation. So we'll start with simple kriya. In simple kriya, you're just increasing the speed of your breath while inhalation, exhalation. Right hand on your chest, left hand on your stomach. Body is very relaxed with this. Now let's do Nakasana. Nakasana is very easy asana and very good for digestion too. Bend your legs properly. Keep your hand on the mat. Very slowly stretch it. And when we get proper balance, then release the hand. Every asana, guys, we have to do for 3 times for better result. Now let's do Padmasana. Sit in Dhyan Mudra, Mudra for concentration. And release. This is really good for deep relaxation. Now in same posture, you are going to stretch your body properly, your upper body. So what you're going to do, first raise your hand, slowly raise it up. Interlock and stretch your upper body. Let's do this again. Relax. Now let's do the acupoint. Namaskar Mudra. Keep it like this. And release. So these are the very simple and easy asana. Always stay healthy, happy and beautiful. We'll come back again. Thank you.